Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name's Mandy and this is Living Life Within a Budget. Today we have a haul from Temu, but it was completely free. Stay tuned to see how I did it. So in this video, I actually won both my Farmland and my Fishland. And if you don't know what those are, so you just go onto Temu and you type into the search bar Farmland or Fishland. And it's a game that you can play daily for completely free. And at the end of this game, you can win items. Now, these items can be anywhere from like a $2 item all the way up to like a $30-something item. You get to choose, and it goes based off of whatever is like in your cart and whatever you've browsed at a lot. You do this and then you play daily. You either feed your fish or you water your plants, depending on which game you're playing, but they both do the exact same thing. And you do this daily, and you don't even have to buy orders. You don't have to do anything, but in the end of a couple months, you get these items shipped to your door completely free. Free shipping, and they come to your door, and it's whatever you picked. These games are very awesome, and I'm so glad that you can just win free things on Temu. I am not sponsored by any means, but since these are free, I can't wait to show you. Make sure that you guys add me on Farmland and Fishland. Here's my codes for those. They'll also be linked in the description box below. And if you want to become friends on either of those, when we feed our fish or water our crops daily, it gives the other person water or food for either game. So make sure that you're joining my game as well if you're Canadian and you're in Temu. So those are my codes once again. They'll be linked in the description box. Okay, now let's start with the first order, which was Fishland. Okay. Sorry for the crinkles. This is a Stitch plushie. Now, he actually came a little bigger than I thought he would. He's very squishy, and he does have a silicone suction cup for like a window or a door. This is actually going to be for my granddaughter for Christmas. So I'm going to actually take the suction cup off of it, but this will be a nice little stuffy for her. And then this one's also going to be for Christmas. It's how I like to choose my free things, is stuff that I can't normally afford for Christmas, or not yet anyway. So this is a Stitch advent calendar, and this is going to be for one of my sons. And there's 24 gifts inside. Now, I'm not going to open it to show you guys the gifts, but I will show you the picture of what you get inside. They're little figures, but you get 24 of them. And it's an advent calendar, yes, but I'm going to save it for a Christmas gift because I think he's going to really like that. And it came in its own little perfect box for wrapping for Christmas too. Let me know in the comments below, have you started your Christmas shopping? Do you wait till the last minute? Are you already done your Christmas shopping? Let me know. Okay, and last thing that I got from Fishland. Now, this said it was 10 agate pieces of stones, but it was a mixed pack. These are very pretty. I'll show you guys them one by one. We've got this pink one. Ooh, that's very nice. I really like that. Now, I don't know what I'm doing with these. I might throw them in some of my stockings or save them for myself. Ooh, that one's really nice. It's like a crystal inside. And it was a 10 pack, so I won this. So it was completely free. Once again. Ooh, that one might be broken. Ooh, that's like my favorite one so far. metallic blues in that. That's very nice. Now, they don't seem like they're actual crystals. They seem like they're just pieces of glass that's been made to look like that. I could be wrong. As much as I love crystals, I don't have the knowledge of them as much as I feel I should. Ooh, that one's nice too. I like the layered colors of these. They're very nice. And then you got a yellow one right here. Oh, that's very nice. It's like an amber color. And this one reminds me of Aurora Borealis a little bit. Just with the way it's like waving out like that. That's very nice. Oh, and this one's like a green emerald or a jade. Now again, I don't know if these are real, but they're very nice. They look nice. So really, the quality looks really good. And there's the last one there. Those are very nice. Didn't break. That's actually the most real looking one, the one that I dropped. I'll show you guys this one again. But it has like the jagged edges and it's not perfect. Like the other ones seem like they're too perfect. If you know what I mean, like they're too smooth. And that was everything I won from Fishland. Now let's get into everything that I got from Farmland. So first we got a 256 gigabyte micro SD card. And this is because I have a trip coming up and I want to record a lot of it for you guys. So I needed a bigger memory card. So I actually got that completely free. And as you may see in the video that I'm going to post up here, I did have other things in my Farmland, but they said it wasn't available, so they just gave me the credit. And I just basically picked what I wanted for the next round, but that's okay. Because I have a trip coming up and these things are going to be very useful. Like this. So the second item I got, it's a power bank. And it does have a Type-C charger, which is my phone charger, and my headphones and a lot of other things. But it also comes with an Apple phone cord as well. So you can charge both Apple devices and Samsung devices. Now, I've already tested this out. I did try it. My phone went from 67% to 80% in a matter of 15 minutes. So it works very well and it's very fast and it's very tiny and convenient. I love the color of it. And it does light up here on the bar when you plug it in, because you plug it in to charge this with a Type-C cord. And then once that's charged, you can take it on the go wherever you need. And if you need a little boost of power for your phone or anything, then you got it. Which is going to really be helpful for me in day-to-day life as well as on my trip. And last item we got here is a pin for myself, if I can get it open. But it is from Harry Potter, and it's Severus Snape with his dough, and it says always. I love that. That's awesome. It's like one of my favorite things I do. I love the Harry Potter movies, but that's like one of my favorite things is the always. So I had to get that to represent it. And that was just a little thing that I threw in there with the extra credit that I got from the other two items, which is good. I'm so excited I could get all of these items for completely free. If you haven't yet joined up to Temu, make sure that you're clicking the affiliate link that's in my description box. And when you do, put in my codes and then we'll become friends and then we can start your game together. I love winning things for free. It's literally like every couple months. And I get things for completely free. I don't even have to pay the shipping. How awesome is that? So if you want to join up to Temu, make sure that you click that link. All the links and all the codes will be in my description box. If you're new here, make sure that you subscribe if you like my content. Make sure that you hit the like button and leave a comment. Any comment helps. I hope you guys all have a beautiful day. Thank you. Bye.